Hell yeah.
Yo, me. What's going on? Cuts by Reggie. I know. But back with another video today. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the channel if you dislike the channel, the videos. Hey, engage, right? So today we are here with an unboxing of a new product from Stylecraft, right? I believe this is dropping in November, or they shipping out. Of course, it's on pre-order right now. And for the people who ask me, you know, like you when I get products or when I buy products, the drop date, I am not a fan of pre-ordering, right? Or in a sense of when it comes to Stylecraft, because once you pre-order, they sell out their first bulk and then you got to pre-order again. I would rather them, and this is the problem that we run into when we continue to drop product after product. I would rather you have a product that people like, whether you Babyliss or Stylecraft or Gamma or Andis or whoever. I'd rather you have a product that people like, and then once I want to grab another one, I'm able to go to the website and buy another one. Now, of course, some of these products you can get on Amazon, or some of them might be on like third-party distributors and stuff like that. But for the most part, the problem that I run into with Stylecraft is not being able just to go to the website and just grab the product when I want it, right? But that can be a whole nother thing. And yes, I understand why you do pre-ordering. I understand, you know, you get your bulk, you got what you got, and once you sell out of them, you get some more. I get that. But either way, so this is the Stylecraft Metal Edition, the InstinctX trimmer, and on release date, or as of right now, pre-ordering, this is $229 for the trimmer. All right. What it say on the back? I got lost. I forgot what I was doing. It does come with the universal blade setter. Got 4 hours of run time. I think it's 8,500 strokes per minute. Of course, you get the different the lids and stuff, and changing the colors and stuff. We'll talk. But what you get in the box, this is how the box comes. This is their normal design. What you do get in the box, you got the trimmer here. It does come with the X logo on it, just like the clipper does. Inside the box, you do get the charging stand, which is good. It got 3 hours of run time, I believe that's what it said. 4 hours of run time. And don't say how long. Oh, 2 hour. It takes 2 hours to get a full 4 hour charge. So about 50% of the time to get that charge. This is one of the best blade sets. I use this all the time. Of course, not that one. I got an older one in here. It got the aggressive side, and then it got like a little softer touch. But this is one of the best blade setters I've used, besides the on the money blade setter back in the day from the Rich Barber company. That was like the best. But this is good because you can use it for different blades. Of course, you got the charging cable, you got the different screws, and if you lose them, and of course it's gonna come with their handy dandy screwdriver. But yeah, it's all, that's the package, right? But this is the body of the trimmer. I have been using this a little bit, and so far it's good. I'm not gonna do a deep review or big review on here, but so far it's been pretty good. It is a little bulky around this spot. The problem with trimmers, sometimes if they get a little wide here, just like when you had the Saberis from Monster, or their one of their, I can't even think of the clipper, but once you get too wide up here, it kind of gets in the way sometimes. But it's been good so far, but we'll review it later on. And of course, you got the different, you can trade the plates, and this is the metal edition on the back, plastic on the front. Loud. And again, I always say, especially since I've moved to the suite, a lot of the stuff in the rooms sound a little bit louder. How it would sound in a full barbershop setting could be different, but it's a loud product. It does come with their X Pro blade. A lot of people thought it was gonna come with the diamond blade. I'm not a big fan of the diamond cutting blade that they have, so I like this better. I'll probably switch it to the gold blade though, because their gold blade to me is one of the better blades. It's just like having a Babyliss gold blade or whatever like that. And what I was gonna say about the pricing, right? The pricing is the pricing. We can be mad at it. There are companies where you can get cheaper stuff, whatever. My only thing with the pricing, if we are standing on that you get extra accessories and stuff like that, I would rather you take away these, right? Take away the extra face plates and just have one color. You know what I'm saying? If that can help the price come down, because the problem that you run into with the pricing of some of these trimmers and clippers and products is other companies will have the same, the same workings for a little cheaper price, right? But some of them only come with one color. They don't come with a charging stand. I know we all like the charging stand, right? But when you get into the pricing, that's where the pricing adds up in. Babyliss do it where the product might be cheap, but the charging stand is separate, and then you get this separate, and so you got to kind of add it together. So one thing that Stylecraft is doing, especially, I mean, at least with this, some of their other products, of course, don't have charging stands and stuff, but you do get the extra color of lids and the charging stand or whatever, right? $229 for this trimmer is not a bad price. Hey, you're gonna pay for what you want to pay for. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's tennis shoes, whether it's your off-duty habits, you're gonna pay for what you pay for. You know what I'm saying? Me and my son collect records. To some people, $85, $100 for a record is a lot of money, but to us, depending on what we buying, it's a good price. You know what I'm saying? So when it comes to price, the price is there. And I'll do a full review of this product very soon. I just wanted to do an unboxing and show you that it is out. This will be releasing again. It is on pre-order right now on the website. Use my discount code Cuts By Reggie. Save you a couple dollars when you do buy it, all right? And this will be shipping out at least on the website. It says November, all right? So I will do a review. I will try to get the review out before November so we can, or around that time, so you can see if you want to buy it or not. Now, I'm not saying my opinion is the end, you know, the main factor, but I will let you know how I feel about it in another video. All right, but so far it's doing pretty good. But yeah, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos. If you dislike the videos, we will be back with another unboxing review tutorial very soon. All right, peace.